Hi, my name is Todd, and like many of you, I'm a jack of all trades and master of none. Okay, but in this particular episode, which there will only be one of because I refuse to do another one, I am going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in this friggin' 2005 Buick Allure. It's a gorgeous car and it's phenomenal. It runs like everybody's business. Beautiful to look at, but it is very difficult to do things with, like little minor repairs. So I am going to show you first what not to do. Here is the filter that I bought that I thought I was going to be taking back to the store because I thought I was going to have to either kill myself or rip the car to pieces to find out where the actual filter is. It is not there, by the way. You see this? That is all my, there's the glove compartment cover. This is the inside of the glove compartment, and I took it all apart because in every other Buick cabin filter change, it is behind the glove compartment. But in my case, no, it is not. Like so many other things, the Buick Allure has a mind of its own, and it doesn't have anything in any of the other same places other Buicks do. So hopefully I will save you a little bit of time and a hell of a lot of aggravation. And I will now show you where the real filter goes. So once again, it is not behind the glove compartment. Here it is. So what you do is you're really supposed to take these windshield wipers and put them in the upper position, but guess what? Another surprise. The Buick Allure does not allow you to do that. It always wants to drop the windshield wipers back in the usual spot. So now it makes it that much more difficult since I can't lift the windshield wipers. But if you just take a couple of pieces, like right here, this piece goes right in here. It's not rocket science. And this piece, which is your fluid that goes up on the windows when you use your windshield wipers, you have to move them out of the way, but that is relatively easy. This piece here goes back in there, and I can only hope it goes back in properly because I have yet to know if it is going to cause me tons of grief. There you can see the little clasps on there. It's actually fairly simple. It goes on that piece of steel, that silver piece of steel. There is your filter right there. Okay, so it is really not too difficult to get the filter out. I've already done this, but I thought I would do a video so that the rest of you fine people out there on planet Earth don't have to go through the same crap as I just had to go through. Okay, and lo and behold, it is actually not bad. It is actually fairly clean, except for a couple dead worms and things like that. But if you are like me and my fiance, you don't want to suck all that crap in when you're trying to have air conditioning in your car in the summertime. So if you're tired of sneezing and coughing and wheezing, change your air filter, your cabin air filter. Okay, so this is it. I don't think I need to show you how to go back in. It really is quite simple. It goes right under that slot. You put the back end of it in first, and then you drop down the front end. And the little tab right here, that goes sticking up. So it's a no-brainer. That's the way it goes, and I don't even think, see, you can actually see the arrow there, pointing down. There, see? That's it. Now, I hope I saved you all a lot of grief and heartache and sticking a screwdriver into your hand and now having to go to the hospital and all that stuff. So I hope you enjoy your Buick Allure. I know I do. But I can't stand a lot of it because it is very difficult to maintain in a lot of ways. But it's a gorgeous car. Luckily, this one will be running for a while. And luckily, I won't live long enough to have to change another cabin friggin' air filter. You're welcome. Have a great time. Thank you. Leave your comments and likes and other useless information below. Thanks again.